Leading the field of visual storytelling, Trendsetters are beloved for their style as well as the way they shoot. You can now vote for the kit to be inducted in the Photo and Video Kit Hall of Fame. These are the 5 nominees in the Trendsetter category. First, retro styling meets mirrorless tech with the Fujifilm X-Pro 3. Next, another Fujifilm, this one a member of the trend-setting X100 series, the Fujifilm X100V. Third, with its outstanding engineering and its incredibly detailed sensor, the Leica M10-R. Fourth, this full-frame mirrorless is the Sony A7 III. Finally, we've got the back-to-basics travel camera, the Olympus Pen F. But which kit will you vote for? Vote now at kithalloffame.com.